Hello and welcome back. Today we're exploring the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a standout in the electric crossover segment. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 stands out with its impressive electric performance. It features a front-mounted electric motor producing 201 horsepower and 228 pound-feet of torque. This setup enables a brisk acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.3 seconds, delivering a satisfying blend of agility and efficiency. Powering the Atto 3 is a robust 64 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This advanced battery technology offers an estimated range of up to 280 miles on a full charge, providing ample range for daily commutes and longer trips. Additionally, the Atto 3 supports DC fast charging, which can recharge the battery from 30% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes, minimizing downtime during longer journeys. Inside, the 2025 Atto 3 is designed with a modern and spacious cabin. It includes a 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system with BYD's latest software, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced driver assistance systems. The interior also boasts high-quality materials and a customizable ambient lighting system. Expect the 2025 BYD Atto 3 to hit the market in early 2025 with a starting price around $35,000. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 combines performance, cutting-edge technology, and a stylish interior at a competitive price. Its impressive range and fast charging capabilities make it a strong contender in the electric vehicle segment. If you're considering an electric crossover, the Atto 3 deserves a close look. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive trends. See you next time.